It's just such a fun idea. In a land where imagination runs wild, a brand new island has appeared, full of wonder, fun, and the sweetest sounds you'll ever hear. Welcome to Kids Island. Discover brand new monsters, each bursting with energy, creativity, and pure joy. Collect them, feed them, and build the happiest harmony in the monster world. Kids Island, where every sound is an adventure. Coming soon, and it's going to be a blast.